I'm going to be showing you how I use this tool to get some really fun beachy waves and how quickly and easily you can do it. So let's get started. The way I like to use this wand is by alternating the way that I hold it. So I will start by doing some of the waves holding the wand at a vertical angle, and then I will also do some of the waves holding the wand at a horizontal angle. That helps so that all the pieces don't look the exact same, so they blend and they look super effortless. You hold for a few seconds, then you pick it back up and you move down in sections. As you can see, it's creating a really nice wave. And then when I get to the bottom, I leave that little bit out, which keeps everything looking really natural and beachy. Now I'm coming in and I'm holding the hair down in a vertical angle and coming in horizontally with the iron. Beautiful! Look how bouncy that is. I'm now going to repeat the process on my whole head, and at the very end I'll show you guys how I like to do the pieces that frame the face. This piece that is closest to my face, I am going to angle the iron towards my head so that the curl can lay a little bit better. So this is what the finished style looks like, super fun and beachy. Now I'm going to show you some fun ways that you can accessorize this hairstyle.